Welcome back to Tips and Tricks with Federico. This time I'm going to help you to create next level virtual visual aids with Prezi Video. Yeah, when we think about virtual visual aids, this is something different. Why? Because you are not exactly thinking in this. You might be thinking that I edited the video before to add this picture, and no, it was in real time. So you can show it in your next Zoom presentation, Teams, WebEx, or anyone in general. You can impress people using a virtual camera. Because trust me, innovation is what makes everything different. Believe me, we need to replace these kind of visual aids that are limited, especially in the online world, with these ones that makes a completely unique experience. We're living in a modern times, and hey, this is going to be for longer. But if you're new with Prezi Video, I will suggest you to check my first video where I explain you how to go from zero to hero and build those presentations, because that will give you an introduction about what we're going to learn today. And a second suggestion for this one, to make it more impressive, use PNG transparent. I'm going to teach you some tricks how to get those pictures, but hey, these are the best ones to create those virtual visual aids. So now let's get started with the magic. Now let's go to the part where the real magic happens. I'm going to share you my screen so you can see how the things look like. Here is Prezi Video. In Prezi Video, you have three options: create new video, import PowerPoint, or import Prezi. In our case, we're going to focus on the first one, that is create new video. It's a place where the real magic happens. Let's create a new one. This is the canvas where all magic happens. The first thing that you will notice is that empty square. That one is an empty frame. So the people are going to see only you. They're not going to see anything else. But you can add some pictures, some text, or any other things, like a visual aid, like a PowerPoint, or anything else. Even some pictures from the internet. Maybe in the future some videos. Right now they are not supported. But now let's add a new empty frame. In this empty frame, we're going to start doing the magic. And I'm going to bring, let's say, an introduction about this small presentation. Nice. So you see, now you have a small introduction. But the next level are the transparent PNGs. And we're going to bring a superhero, the famous Hulk. Hulk is smashing. But as you can see, you can play with it because it's transparent. And what he's doing, he's smashing the place. What happens when he smashes something? Well, maybe it can explode. And we're going to search for that picture that I promised you before. In my case, I like to use this website called Clean PNG. And as I said, it exploded. So we're going to search for a bomb. You will see many pictures in Clean PNG. Some things to take into consideration: this picture is huge. It's 7.9 megabytes. It can take a lot to be downloaded and a lot to be uploaded to Prezi. So we're going to go a little bit deeper. This is 0.82. One is too much for me. My opinion, I wouldn't play with more than a couple of hundreds of megas. This one is 224 kilobytes. It sounds cool and small. So let's download it. We're going to do a free download. Just something important, check the license, because this can impact you when you're doing something. The next thing, we're going to go back to Prezi Video, and we're going to add the new picture. It's in the downloads. I add it, and voila! How do you know that it's ready? Check this picture that is here. This small preview, the thumbnail, is going to tell you when it's finally loaded. The bigger the picture is, the longer it can take. But now, let's see how it looks, this presentation in action. Let's go. But before showing you the last result, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and hey, like the video, because more people should know about the secrets that you are discovering. Now it's time to check the final result. Let's start creating next level virtual visual aids. Trust me, it's time that you become the next Hulk, the one that is smashing everything, smashing the floor. Become the bomb in that event, the one that impresses everyone, with your skills. Believe me, it's time that you transform and smash that floor today. And as you can see, we created virtual visual aids. We were able to transform these ones that are physical ones into these ones. You are able to combine them even in these times. You're able to become the next one in the career. And now it's time for you to start sharing these thoughts and becoming an agent of change, because we need more people like you sharing this message and empowering others. And until the next time, bye.